Bonjour, kejung tip nam ta Khubor Laitkam Shipai te don ki jing Laitkam Shipai ki bere nam ta ki sports Quota ta nam ta ki sports person. Te don nam dang fi ki bere ki sports person te kwa ban apply nam ta kam Shipai te sapai ikene ka video hadu ban akut la pilong qualify em ban apply nam ta kini ki kam Shipai ki balaj te gidon lagi jong ki discipline athletic boxing ter te ngi jape kita ki ba don kam ni. The Indian Army invite online application from unmarried Indian male and female candidate to appear in recruitment trial of outstanding sportsperson of as direct entry Havaldar and Naib Subedar Sports Intake 1 2023 under sports quota entry. Kane kade jong Indian Army ma. Te phila ban yo ria kane na po ka website jong join Indian Army sabu ko link apa description sa check. Teka last date nam takane online submission kan de live ho Oktober. Live ho tarik jom banai Oktober last sedang nadu tarik Oktober. But ka recruitment trial pada kan sedang nadu from 20 November 2023 to 30 December 2023. Kin penek ka trial te sakan mau kita buka ban apply nam takane kade ka post kade bidang Havaldar lane but jong Nayab Subedar. Mandatory instruction for candidate are to take the print of the application from form available. Take application form ru kalau don lupa hakane ke PDF. Fila banyo naka join Indian Army, fila ban check nang tu fila banyo. At the end of this advertisement kalau don syapo do duly fill siapa pendap ya tu I print out pada form to be scanned along with all educational and sports certificate. Siap scan bro ki sports certificate bro as per advertisement and are to be submit to the official email ID. Te yakane ban submit online nya siap ban submit hakane ke email ID ka bladap ai hang ne of Army Sports Control Board kane kade Army Sports Control Board red spot sakan mau kane ke email ID redspot.01@gov.in from their personal ID phap sen tang kane tangga way phap sen phap compile baro ki documents jung fi ki sports certificate educational qualification ki baro ki badon kam nam ta kata te compile lang rangkat ba kata ka form ko badon halas jong ani phap download dan lat pendap kita bisa compile lang haju dan compile sa send ha ke email amnon kam pendap send ke email dan ladap send tang gawe amnon kam send asin ladap send lai sausin ansha ji reject by jarak nomor po Indian Army ki kam strict te kadau habong tang gawe phap send tang gawe amnon kam send lai sautali te sakan mau kita kiba kwa apply. Selection in the Indian Army is fair and transparent and on merit only kiba kamla kita hikinyo. At no stage any bribe is required. Non kamera the sports discipline. Kita sports discipline kibon ha. Tengin page kita Indian Army online application from unmarried Indian male and female for recruitment trial participate at international/junior or senior championship. Lane Khelo India game kibalale kai Khelo India game. Lane youth game from 1st October 2021 to 30 September 2020. Tekane ru kadon laga jong ma wada laga sports kota ru ndai kisha pada tang kibala simenta nadu tarik Oktober arjar hoi nadu snam arjar hoi hadu live ho tarik September arjar fly tang ki certificate ki badai hakine ki tarik snam phila ban yo ban apply nam takane ki bala dei nadu arjar khat pra khat khandai ki nam yo shu tang arjar hoi hadu arjar fly ni ada mention lupa la ban dei ka international and junior or senior national championship la ban Khelo India game la ban youth game from 1st October 2021 to 30 September 2023 sekan mau bahaya kata to join the Indian Army as direct entry Havaldar and Naib Subedar in the following sports discipline. Tekine sports discipline gilai. Klem itu kono kapus mutba asyong baik kat jengla jung phila katral phiyo baik. Athletic track and field event. Tekabun ma po athletic track and field event. Kanan 100 meter, 200 meter, 110 meter, hurdle, 400 meter, 800 meter, 1500 meter, 20 kilometer race walk, bashuyaj, decathlon, 400 meter hurdles, 3000 and then high jump 1000 meter, then high jump, then triple jump, long jump, javelin throw, shot put, javelin throw, barok gidon. Then number B archery, men's compound, then basketball, and kayaking and canoeing, kayak senturu gidon, karate men, swimming rudon, 400, 800, 1500, barok breaststroke, medley gidon barok. Boxing nadu kasan 51 kg, 54 kg, 57 kg teter kajong kategori kilo Kanteru kaju 52, 54, 57. Squash man, diving, shooting, football dan kam striker, midfielder, defender and goalkeeper. Kita kwa kum kibala represent ya ka state Meghalaya kita gla yo ban late nam ta kane sailing, fencing, taekwondo, gymnastics, triathlon, golf, volleyball, hockey, weightlifting, handball, wrestling, and judo, wushu, kabaddi, winter game, alpine nodik tumdana, rowing, tumta. Kini baru kita dapat ini, mutang kini kita balapan, ki post kita balapan, ki khotang nan tak kini disiplin. Nada pidon kita kini disiplin, kita leh represent ya ka jelal ne, ka youth game ne, Khelo India, kita balapan apply mata kini. Exceptional talent apart from the above mentioned, even portion category may also apply. Mau the candidate advice to take the printout tela ada batal pa kaya ban take ya printout ya puli bahai kini instruction ma take ya printout haka A4 size paper only as per the required formats la ada bangta non standard form la da family you can share reject non standard application form will be rejected but ma strict ba the application form in all respects signature term expression affixing paragraph as mentioned along with additional sports achievement document are to be scanned attached in one single PDF file haka way ba send beda hakaneka red spot.01@gov.in in a single mail only tangkawai lawat lapisan repetition artilately share jakpai. The selection trial for direct entry done is wedar in take one only submission fill up to last date can be live tarik jong October only online submitted application shall be accepted can accept ilmu maka online bay bro markdown atli namta ka direct entry havaldar ta ka age namta ka ne ka debit khat news name sitang hadu absence name ta kan mau bhai ka ka fiscal standard okay se page educational qualification de pass ka stand namta ka ne ka havaldar sports achievement de melong komno individual should be a medalist at junior and senior level belayo medal by representing state have represented a state in national competition or have represented the country at international level shubu kum Meghalaya kibla represent a state kum North East game kila represent kila tang North East makana katuru kila accept nam ta katu kila shame kan mau ba individual should have represented a state or country have represent a state and a country in national or international competition at junior and senior level team event kiba represent a team event ru kila apply. Individual should be a medalist in Khelo India game or youth game or above. Te kiba yo medal haka Khelo na ka youth game ro kila apply gini giwe kiba should represent a state ro kila apply la ram yo medal rom nilai tamal represent beda haka team event na long. Te nam ta kane ka direct entry naib sebetar pada ka datang kiba kham iwa kane age limit de khan news tang hadu option hi. Te ka educational qualification ka debate ka 10 sports achievement hangne beda should be winner of any medal in world championship and Asian championship. Individual should be winner in any medal in Asian game kiba ajab hak Asian game. Individual should be winner of any medal in Commonwealth game and World Cup kata ngi duna bang imdandra represented India twice kila represent India in Asian game and Commonwealth game and World Cup kila represent kila apply represented India in Olympics tatela kinjo penting kita ma nam takatu tangka hawaldar kami yo bun. Women direct entry holder nevra women who meet the above mentioned similar male may apply. Kibadon ini kibe kaju bagi senrang kila apply kaju bagi tewe senrang mak tegi. Marta settle on merit male and female tanggi on merit baik kibla mana apply nam tagine. Teka haj nam tagine nam tangi kinot is hangne ka haj ni ha baka Eastern Himalaya Sikkim Nagaland Arunachal Pradesh Manipur Tripura Meghalaya. Nam tagine gade 160 ka haj kan mau ba 160 nam ta ki Meghalaya te kandon ka physical fitness mar kanon ka trial te kinan kam mar qualify ha mar khandus pa metar ha man qualify bade in 5 minutes 45 second nam ta ki shinrang half jump route 9 feet ditch zigzag balance kita kum buju hi then physical standard female te nam ta ki general crisis pa andro r te nam ta ki Meghalaya kan dunano North East region full simta high relaxation kan wano Shispa san bupran nam tai kentai kan mau ha tribal of recognized tribal area Shispa san pho pra ka haj nam tai kentai spa rupon tai senrang the domicile and caste certificate will be considered to determine applicability of height relaxation phap submit ka domicile ru caste certificate ru submit na kam ta kan the ru kum jo hi hamare khan ru spa kilometer pendek apa per minute 10 feet long jump mat 3 feet high jump need to qualify tang man qualify kita. Tesakan mau ki documents ki bakwa apply dan kam photograph long akono R4 copy 20 copies of unattested recent taken not more than 1 month and educational certificate, education domicile, caste certificate, religion certificate, school character certificate, on merit certificate, sports kit bhagapor ba phile hakatral habra lo kita bro te yakane philaban yo na po ka join Indian Army philaban check a website nga sambo ka link description puli bhai kane ka advertisement khnang ban tip bhai ki detail kumno ban apply kumno ban aim ka form ro ka don hangne yo don apply fi ko ban apply namta kane kam shipai te ka form ro ka don ne application form for sports quota recruitment meritorious sports person as direct entry havaldar naib sabadar 01 2023 batch te ka form la don hangne la dap ai lot kita ki left home signature e bro phaban pandap ka kum kani ki e bro ki detail ki certificate bro scan lot baro sa submit hakata ka email bal ai red sports 01@gov.in sekan mawan le e kabron kam la dap ko apply nam ta kane bat la dap don ni kita ki sports certificate ki bade bat bala mention hangne nam ta naib subedar bat havaldar tang gini gijing tip ngatrai kelak syai te nam ta gijing tip bakam ni khablet di hapok join Indian Army ten la check tu fi login nang tu la you bede bisa yo baik kadon ha jrong hi kadon notification nam ta meritorious sports person kadon saklik nang tu bisa la download ikan ke PDF kadon lang bat ka form nam ta kan ni tang gini hi